Indian Economic Service 2025 General Economics 1 Section C Question 12 Part A. The first subpart states that interpret each row and each column of the matrix. So each column would represent the input used by each industry from other industries to produce 1 unit of output, and each row would represent how much output from one industry is used as an input by all industries. As an example, consider the first column. So to produce 1 unit of output in industry 1, it needs 0.2 units from itself, which is industry 1. Industry 1 needs 0.15 units from industry 2, and it needs 0.1 units from industry 3. Interpreting the row, so the first row states that industry 1 provides 0.2 units to industry 1, 0.25 units to industry 2, and 0.1 units to industry 3. All of this essentially shows the inter-industry dependencies. Coming to the second part, the Leontief inverse matrix. While the question is very direct, it is calculation intensive. Let's see the result. We know the basic equation is given as x is equal to ax plus b, x minus ax is equal to d, I minus a whole x is equal to b, which implies x is equal to I minus a inverse d. This is the final equation. Now the question asks us to calculate the I minus a inverse matrix. To calculate I minus a inverse, you need to calculate I minus a, which is simply the identity matrix in 3 rows and 3 columns minus the A matrix that is given in the question. After you calculate I minus A, you will need to calculate I minus A determinant. After that, you need to calculate cofactor matrix. After calculating the cofactor matrix, you will get the adjoint as transpose of the cofactor. After calculating the adjoint, we will finally arrive at I minus A inverse, which is adjoint of I minus A divided by determinant of I minus A. After doing this entire process, which is, as I said, calculation intensive, you will get to the I minus A inverse matrix like this. After getting the I minus A inverse, we can proceed to the third part, which asks us to compute the output vector x. Remember, it is x is equal to I minus A inverse of d. D vector is already given to us, I minus A has been calculated by us. Now what's left is a simple matrix multiplication. This would give you x vector. This is the value. This is the final answer expected out of part 3.